Welcome everyone to our first ever episode of
Brain Splat Podcast.
The AI is on everyone's lips. People are scared of it.
If you've got more women in tech, then it becomes a bigger problem that people take more notice.
We are in a world, in my view, where everyone likes things to be binary, a bit like technology, black and white.
Someone professional running your marketing campaign, completely different.
Now it's like changing legislations where there's a lot more accountability on individuals, and historically I don't think that was there as much. So senior leadership or board level members are now personally liable.
Robots coming to market that they can definitely do it more efficiently, and training, Bruce, there's a lot of training involved. Do we take out the human experience and replace that with a robot?
I've escaped a couple of bombing, to be honest with you. My friend called me out and said, "Oh, Roger, let's go play." We had a soccer field about 1 kilometre away from my house. He goes, "Oh, let's go play." And I said, "Oh, my mum won't let me because I have to study." And my friend went, and the two of them
wrapped in plastic. You'd grab a stack of six and throw it on your shoulder and run house to house.
A diplomat or spy would be a great way to travel the world. And early exposure to